Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of our 2.1 notes. Hey, remember yesterday I said words are super important here, so we're just adding one more type of statement. Remember, add this one to our list of things that we're going to study. This is a biconditional statement. So this happens when both the conditional and its converse are true. These contain the phrase if and only if. So we say P if and only if Q, and our implies arrow goes both ways, and you just say P if and only if Q. Okay? Any definition can be written as a biconditional statement. So we're going to attempt that here. It says rewrite the definition of the term as a biconditional statement. Supplementary angles are two positive angles whose measure have a sum of 180 degrees. So what I want you guys to think of is, what are you doing a definition of, and what are the parts? Okay, so my definition is of supplementary angles, and I know that my two positive angles have a sum of 180 degrees. Okay, so if two positive angles are supplementary angles, then they have a sum of 180 degrees. We can go backwards as well and say if two positive angles have a sum of 180 degrees, then they are supplementary. This is how we create a biconditional statement. So we want to say two positive angles are supplementary if and only if they have a sum of 180 degrees. So two positive angles are supplementary if and only if their measures have a sum of 180 degrees. Okay, so that is an example of a biconditional statement. You're using your two parts and you're putting if and only if in the middle. Okay, so we're going to rewrite the definition of perpendicular lines as a single biconditional statement. Part 1 says if two lines intersect to form a right angle, then they are perpendicular. Going backwards, if two lines are perpendicular, then they intersect to form a right angle. Okay. So remember, you are taking each piece, you are putting if and only if in the middle. Okay. So two lines intersect to form a right angle if and only if they are perpendicular lines. So two lines intersect to form a right angle if and only if they are perpendicular lines. Okay, my last slide is writing all of the statements that we talked about yesterday. So we're going to start by writing our conditional statement. Okay, so our conditional statement, we go P to Q. So it says P is snow is falling, Q is it is winter. So if snow is falling, then it is winter. Okay, don't worry about truth values on these. I just want us to practice writing the statements. Okay, so the second one is our converse statement. Okay, so converse is the one where we just say not. Oh, excuse me. No, it is the one where we switch the hypothesis and the conclusion. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so we're saying if it is winter, then snow is falling. Okay, our inverse is the one where we have our nots. So we have not P to not Q. So if snow is not falling, then it is not winter. Okay, then you have your contrapositive, so not Q to not P. So if it is not winter, then snow is not falling. Okay, and the last one we're adding in our biconditional statement. So that's our P if and only if Q. So that says snow is falling if and only if it is winter. Okay, you guys have just a few problems on homework. Please remember you can email me if you have any questions. Otherwise, get on Clever and get to work. Thanks, guys. I'll be back tomorrow. Bye.